for the bank, but also provided banking careers to all those who aspire of having one. Ladies and gentlemen, young bankers, all of you deserve a huge round of applause. I would now like to invite Professor Grover, advisor, Acibis, to deliver the keynote address.
Thank you, Ashima. Motivation, as you know, is the elixir of life. And sir, I am very grateful to you for having provided motivation to start this great momentous program. We thank Axis Bank for having reposed confidence in us to conduct the Axis Bank Young Bankers program in North India. The program commenced in the year 2013 with a batch of 44 students. It was introduced with several innovations and started within 42 days of the advertisement. It must be a record for any institution. I must thank the bank for being receptive to our suggestions. The subsequent batch in the year 2014 comprised of 60 students. It has been our conscious effort to deliver the best quality education to the students. We, sir, make earnest and sincere efforts to groom the students to be ethical banking professionals. You have been stressing on values. I assure you that we give the students enough opportunities to think and behave in a valuable manner. The students have since been placed in the branches. We understand that our students have done well in the recent exercises that you have conducted. The third batch, comprising 81 students, is now on the verge of completion of their education with us. We make conscious efforts to go extra mile by providing additional inputs to strengthen knowledge base of students and environment to groom professionally. I would like to mention some of the innovative strategies adopted by us. Field survey on issues relating to banking, personal finance, and insurance, all very relevant issues to the financial industry. Participation in seminars and workshops, interaction with senior industry professionals. A new concept was introduced by us to designate the students as the most inquisitive mind of the session when he asks very interesting question and recognized so by the speaker. We gave an award for that. The idea was that the students should be prompted to come forward and open up and think of the industry as such. So we have introduced a very recent concept, though it has not been practiced on the first two batches, that we collected books of the consumer code judgments and asked every student, this is being taken up in the current batch, to read a couple of case studies on the banking industry. And then two groups were taken. One will find the issues as a result of the case study, what went to the forum, and the second group will find out the solutions, that what should have been done without being told as to what is written in the judgment. And sir, I must salute and compliment your selections that most of the students were able to come up with the solution. You must give compliment to our current batch. So this is a very great innovation we have introduced this year with the Axis Bank and with our MBA batch also. Another, ask at ACIBAS. The industry has been passing through very critical times, and the students were made aware of the latest developments by way of newspaper reports, articles, etc., to enhance their knowledge base. A collection of newspaper reports, journals is compiled and regularly mailed to students under the caption, Ask at ACIBAS. You refer to values. I'll tell you that we are highly committed to values in the Amity, and Dr. Chauhan, our founder president, I must compliment his vision, has been laying a great emphasis on providing value-based education with the similar interest of the chairperson from schools to university. To mark the contribution of chairperson Dr. Mrs. Amita Chauhan to the upkeep and education of girls from weaker sections of society, 3 months every year, beginning 28 January to 27th April, are observed as Human Values Quarter. Several activities are organized to sensitize the students on human values. These include visit to old age homes, donations, child care, awareness about legendary national achievers, and so on. This year, our students donated blankets to some deserving people in the severe winter. ABYP students actively participated in all those activities. Dr. Ashok K. Chauhan has been personally overseeing its progress on account of his total commitment to values. Now, USPs of ABYP: participation in debates, sports, Sangathan activities, Amity Insurance Cricket Cup, and military training are some of the USPs of the program here. I will like to share, when you talk of military training, what is this military training? We are civilians, why impose it on? These are the thoughts which come to the mind of students and equally the parents who will say that I am sick, please don't send my child, or some fake death will take place. So we all see through the game, but now we have become very incisive. We know how to tackle it. And now, once they go and come back, they are so excited and they demand, sir, will I get a second opportunity? Normally, it was restricted to 2 years program, but because of the relationship that we had with the Axis Bank, so we decided to extend this program to Axis Bank students also. And I will like to share with you the astounding feedback we got, which is of great relevance to the industry. We were taken out of our comfort zone and made to do things which we normally would not do in that training program. Made us learn management as everything was so much fitted into the 24-hour time slot. Discipline is the major learning, as we saw how we achieved so much in such a little span of 6 days. A sense of patriotism badly required, and pride for the nation as well as our soldiers. Interaction with people from different classes and different backgrounds, which we usually do not have in normal days at college. Teamwork, as we have to live with 7 or 8 people in a tent and even compete in competitions like obstacle and tug of war, where we had to work with each other in order to win. The different adventure activities like parasailing, which gives a sense of peace and calmness while in the air and felt like a bird. It was a lifetime experience and has given us memories for life and values, which if we impart can be a lot helpful for us. Sir, I will also recommend to you, these are very interesting activities. Sometimes bring your officials to the Manesar campus. Let them fly in the air. We all dream big. Let them have a dream of flying in the air, and it will be a very, very exciting event for them to experience this one-day camp in Manesar, ball rolling and so many things, which adventure sports we do not come across normally as ordinary citizens. Now, lifestyle of Amitian, Rajesh sir also referred to it. Amitians are privileged to be part of a green campus. This is a highly green campus for energy, water harvesting and free Wi-Fi. ABYP students have to compulsorily stay in hostel. My sympathies with you. Some of the salient features of the environment are high security. Your parents will be blessing us. They will be extremely happy. And the management free of anxiety. You know what happens outside today. But in Amity, the parents, the management of the bank would be extremely free of any anxiety as to what happens physically to the child. Amity University is also a ragging-free campus. Other facilities, it is a marvel to have such experiences. Gaming zone, a modern gym catering to satisfy taste buds, various outlets like Domino's, Coffee Day, Dosa Pizza, Ice Cream Parlor, imposing library comprising huge stock of books and journals, large amphitheater where students gather to pursue and display their interest in drama, music, poetry, etc. In annual festival events, we invite known personalities which included singers like Sonu Nigam, Salim Suleiman, Ankit Tiwari, Himesh Reshmaiya, etc. Film stars Arjun Kapoor, Salman Khan, Akshay Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, Siddharth Malhotra, Katrina Kaif, Kareena Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Sonam Kapoor, rest assured they are not coming today. Cricketers, starting with the first visitor which I invited personally, was Kapil Dev and Ajay Jadeja. We have a insurance cricket tournament to raise funds for our foundation, Amit Asha, which looks after the girl child. The contribution of the companies is passed on to the foundation, and so far we have raised 25 lakhs in 10 years. Chetan Chauhan, Kirti Azad, Robin Singh, and so many others. Band, we keep on having competition, music competitions where bands also come. The last week was Out of the Blue from Yale University, and before that, Edward Maya. So students are exposed to the grill of the academic calendar, but also they have ample opportunities of enjoyment so that they can be groomed in a perfect manner. With the expectations of positive outcomes for future relationship, we remain committed to the cause of quality education. We are very happy, sir, to be Axis Bank's partner in grooming the most important assets and expect that the relationship will be strengthened in the times to come. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your thoughts with the young bankers. We would now like to honor the students who have displayed exemplary performance in academic and co-curricular activities while they were here pursuing the Young Bankers program. I would request Mr. Rajesh Thaya, Executive Director, Axis Bank, to congratulate the award winners who are toppers of Batch 1 and 2. We will begin by awarding the toppers of Batch 1 and 2. Ms. Shikha Arora. Ms. Renu Singh. She's been awarded for academic excellence. Huge round of applause. Ms. Renu Singh again for exemplary performance in co-curricular activities. Ms. Priya Mehendirata. Mr. Anurag Sood. Ms. Shruti Mishra for academic excellence. Ms. Shruti Mishra once again for exemplary performance in co-curricular activities. Mr. Ankit Chaudhary. Keep clapping, young bankers. Mr. Gautam Sharma. Ms. Pragya Sharma. Sir, we request you to stay back on stage. We'll be handing over awards to the faculty members. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara. It means that Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Shiva, and Guru is Param Brahma, the Supreme Brahma. We offer our salutations to that Guru. Axis Bank would also like to recognize the faculty member and staff of batch 1 and 2 and thank them for their valuable contribution in coaching young bankers. May I call upon stage Professor R.C. Bhatnagar.